Best 8 Impressive Health Benefits of Cabbage. This vegetable has been grown around the world for thousands of years and can be found in a variety of dishes, including sauerkraut, kimchi, and coleslaw. Additionally, cabbage is loaded with vitamins and minerals. In this video, we uncover 8 surprising health benefits of cabbage, all backed by science. 1. Cabbage is packed with nutrients. Cabbage is a low-calorie vegetable that is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. 2. It may help keep inflammation in check. 3. Cabbage is packed with vitamin C. Your body needs vitamin C for many important functions, and it is a potent antioxidant. Red cabbage is particularly high in this nutrient. 4. It helps improve digestion. Cabbage contains insoluble fiber, which keeps the digestive system healthy by providing fuel for friendly bacteria and promoting regular bowel movements. 5. May help keep your heart healthy. Cabbage contains powerful pigments called anthocyanins, which have been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease. 6. May lower blood pressure. Potassium helps keep blood pressure within a healthy range. Increasing your intake of potassium-rich foods like cabbage may help lower high blood pressure levels. 7. Could help lower cholesterol levels. Cabbage is a good source of soluble fiber and plant sterols. 8. Cabbage is an excellent source of vitamin K. Vitamin K is critical for blood clotting. Cabbage is an excellent source of vitamin K1, with 85% of the RDI in 1 cup. Cabbage is a versatile veggie that's easy to incorporate into your diet. You can use it to make many different dishes, including salads, stews, soups, slaws, and sauerkraut. With so many potential health benefits, it is easy to see why cabbage deserves some time in the spotlight and some room on your plate. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video. Stay healthy, stay safe.